Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Donnie. We here live at the crime scene at No Gatekeeping. Welcome, welcome. This is our first episode, and we with the man, the myth, the legend, Harlem's very own, Belches.
Yes, I appreciate you. I appreciate being here. I always want to make sure I show love, especially early on, man. I'm like the Jackie Robinson of this, man.
Yeah,
I'm
you are
glad
the
to be the
pioneer.
first one here. I'm the pioneer. We're gonna get a lot of good questions answered, and we have some fun tonight.